replace shingle X. So we're gonna break the seal right here, break the seal here, here, and there. To remove all the nails, shingle X will come out. We'll replace it with our new shingle. It's starting to rip there. That doesn't really matter. This one we got to take out anyway. There we go. Right there, shingle 5.
There's another rip.
Oh, it sure did. 5 right there. And now I believe we got some mat transfer. Yeah, so you can see a big chunk right there, down there.
It's so good. Yep.
And then up here. And then once we pull this shingle, we'll be able to see a good bit more.
Like I thought it was you, but stinky vent.
Fuel transfer on 5 as well. It's rough.
That is.
We gotta break this to access this nail right here. And now we just ripped 2. Shingle 6. Shit. Ripped again. All right. 6. And then we got, I'm pretty sure, more material transfer. Yeah. You can see it really good right there. 1 sec. And then get this upper part too. Material transfer, that's on 4 and 6. So now I can take this first row of nails out.